to my YouTube channel Mukesh TechUp. Today I'm going to discuss for accessing the columns from the data frames that already we have seen in my previous video. So how to create the data frames using dictionary, div function and list of lists. I'll be attaching the video URL so you can go and check that previous video so you can get the better understanding. So already we have seen how we can create a person's object. This is the dictionary object, so basically that has first name and against a list of values. So now let me run this one, and here we can see the first name contains list of values, last name contains list of values. So for creating the data frame, I'm just passing the person's one object inside this data frame. Yeah, so far so it is clear, we have created this one. So if you want to see how many columns are there within that data frame, so we can do df dot columns. So here we can see the first name, last name, occupation, location, pin code, hobby. These are the column name that exist in my data frame. So basically we have many ways for accessing, but ideally the most powerful and useful methods we can use loc and iloc. So whenever we have a column representation, a string representation, whenever we want the data based on the column name, then we should go for loc function. And if we want to access or retrieve the values based on the index, then we should use iloc. So here what I'm doing, df dot iloc, and I'm accessing 0 and first index. So let me see. So here already you have seen. So before that guys, let me show you one more thing. Here let me access this df1. So here you can see 0, 1, 2. I have basically 3 indexes, but here I have passed 0 and 1. So the first, the syntax is before colon. So suppose if I'm applying colon here now, so before this colon, this represents to the rows. So which rows we need? 0 and first index rows and all the value within that one. So it's giving all the values. Now here what I'm doing, I need 0 and first index, and against which column, which index? 3. So here first name on 0, last name first, second, and location is the third. So let me run this one. So I'm getting the 0 and 1 rows against location column, that is Jaipur and Delhi. Hope this is clear to all of you. Now if we need the column name specifications, so what I have to do, we need to use only loc function, df.loc. I have to pass. So here instead of 0, 1, so similarly let me write df.loc, and let me write 2 colon comma, and let me write hobby. See, so this second row and hobby column, last one, that is playing. So we are getting the output. Also we can pass the multiple list of columns, df.loc 0 and first. So this the first place value represents to the rows, and next one represents to the columns, which one we wants to access. So here the 0 and first, these are the rows and these are the name of the columns. See, similarly we can define multiple columns, hobby, first name, let me write location also here. See, likewise we can access all the values. There are many more operations we can perform on the data frames. So I would request you all go with this tutorial and do some hands-on. And once we will move forward, we will start using the Excel sheet data. We will going to import the Excel sheet CSV file, and we will access the top values by using head method. We will specify how many rows we want. Every operations we will do. So slowly we will move forward. So I will request you all to do some hands-on on this one. Based on that, so you will get a clear-cut idea. So guys, these are very important. Based on the ilog, how we can pass the indexes, how we can pass the name of the columns. So if you are applying some machine learning algorithms, so machine learning algorithms apply is the mainly hardly part of the 1 days or 2 days, but most of the time we have to focus on our data, how to access the rows, how to access columns based on the index, based on the column name, everything we have to check. So please go through the video tutorial and do some hands-on. Thanks guys, and do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Mukesh TechUp. Thanks for watching.